Good morning, students. Happy Diwali to all of you. Today we are going to start with examination questions of redemption of preference shares. But before starting today's session, today I'm going to revise redemption of debentures. I already told you to watch previous sessions because we are getting only 3 days to finish redemption of preference shares and redemption of debentures. So today, first I will explain you some part of the theory. Today we are going to solve some illustrations. This Diwali is not for you. I am telling you from the first day you have to study very hard if you want to give both groups. So students, focus on your study. आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स और ये आपको हर दिवाली मिलते रहेंगे, बट एग्जाम हमें एक ही बार देना है और हमें पास भी होना है. सो एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबको कि मैक्सिमम स्टडी कीजिए. Now my session is after I think 5 days on Wednesday directly, not on Monday. So we are going to meet it on Wednesday after this session. We have one more day for redemption of debentures. So I request you all to watch my previous sessions of debentures. Remaining questions that I will take it in the next session. Okay. So today first we are going to start with redemption of preference shares. Can you please tell me all difficult questions that you found while solving these illustrations so that I will focus on those questions directly. I will upload redemption of debentures theory today itself, and you have 4 days to finish your redemption of debentures. So this is a good news for you. So you can finish all questions of redemption of debentures, not only from study material, but also from our scanner, means past examination questions. Friends, one request to all of you. Don't solve only study material questions. Please refer past examination questions and RTPs, MTPs that are very, very important. तो चलो आज का सेशन शुरू करते हैं. Yes, can you tell me difficult questions? Good morning to all of you. चलो आ जाइए लाइव में. Before starting today's session, yes, I will first revise quickly. चलो आज गुड मॉर्निंग तो बोल दीजिए फटाफट. ओके, आलोक शिवलानी जी. बुम बुम लिमिटेड 30 minutes. ज्योति जाई सिंह सर 15 minutes. ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा आलोक. ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच, डेबिट द डेटर, क्रेडिट द क्रेडिटर, डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. रियल दैट इज अ पर्सनल अकाउंट रूल. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Modern approach asset debit balance, liability credit balance, capital credit balance, expenses debit balance, and income credit balance. In case of bonus shares, you revise bonus shares entries. Okay. So what is RTP and MTP? Revision test papers and mock test papers. Okay. Sir, please show the index. Okay, beta, I will show you the index. Rashmi Kumari, good morning. Sujal, Mahima, सिमरन बेन, शेख जी, धारा, अभिषेक पांडे, ज्ञानेश, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. डिम्पल इज आस्किंग सर लास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चंस आप जैसे बनाते हो तो हम लोग कहां से क्वेश्चंस कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो आप स्कैनर करके एक आता है, सुचेता प्रकाशन और टैक्समन का भी आता है. सो यू कैन कलेक्ट, यू कैन बाय स्कैनर्स, यू विल गेट इट इन वेबसाइट ऑल्सो. तो आप स्कैनर को बाय कर लीजिए एंड टू गेट दी questions. Anish Oja ji, sir, please provide answers for scanner questions for self-assessment. Okay. Gomti ji, sorry 2 minutes late. It's okay बेटा. भारती दोषी, yes मैं आपके भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दूंगा. जसप्रीत कौर, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. December 21 का क्वेश्चंस थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था ऐसा बात बोल रहे हैं अब्दुल जी. चलिए, December 21. चलो तो आज December 21 से शुरुआत करेंगे टुडे सेशन. GR Kankahani is telling me, sir, actually I joined, this is my first live class. Okay beta, welcome to this classes. The following is the summarized balance sheet of R Limited as on 31st March 2021. Liability, authorized capital, redemption के लिए दिया है 30 lakhs. Issued, subscribed and paid up capital 90,000 equity shares of 10 each. 15,000 redeemable preference shares of rupees 15 lakhs. Is authorized capital is only for presentation. So authorized capital is only for presentation. Remember, we always focus on issued, subscribed and paid up capital. Security premium, general reserves, P&L and debentures, sundry creditors, assets, non-current assets, property, plant and equipment, investment, cash and bank balance and debtors. Okay. I think this question is similar to your question of Boom Boom Limited. I think this is similar to Boom Boom Limited. So to redeem these shares, first one, chaliye, to redeem these shares, how much is the share capital? Chalo, now today you are going to ask me, you are going to answer all these questions, beta. So redemption, tell me what is the redemption value? Tell me it in the comment section. Fatafat. Redemption value, tell me fast. 15 lakhs. Plus 75,000. 15 lakh 75,000. Akshobhya. Can you tell me? To redeem 9% debentures by making offer. Yes, beta. Redemption of debentures का के बारे में बताइए. Redemption of debentures. चलो, जल्दी से बताइए मुझे. Sir, these questions you will get from the all these questions I already uploaded on our BOS portal. So in your app you can download from assignment. Assignment में आपको मिल जाएगा ये. In assignment, to redeem 9% debentures by converting into equity shares at rupees 40 or accept cash on redemption. Okay. To issue fully paid bonus shares for every 3 shares held. Redemption of preference shares and debentures will be through only company's cash and bank balance by leaving a minimum cash balance of rupees 2 lakhs. Okay. To issue sufficient number of equity shares, 40 each per share as required. But remember, 40 each में से 10 rupees is a face value. So 30 rupees is a security premium. On 5th June, investment sold for 16 lakh 80,000. Okay, 16 lakh 80,000 is the investment amount. So 17 lakh 40,000. 14 lakh 70,000 and 16 lakh 80,000 means beta you are in profit. So profit of rupees 1680 minus 1470. So you are in profit of rupees 2 lakh 10,000. 30% debenture holders exercise their option. So debenture holders ka exercise their option, beta. So this question is similar to your. It's a mixture question, beta. Easy question था 7,50,000 का 30%. और कैलसी में क्या भैया 7,50,000 into 30%. 2 lakh. How much, beta? 2,25,000. But what is the hidden entry, beta? Interest. So interest will get up to August 21. Same question like Boom Boom Limited. So 4 months ka interest is there. 4 months interest. And the bonus was concluded by 10th August. Okay. See, first I'm going to pass journal entries. चलो एग्जाम क्वेश्चन है, टिक टिकी जी के साथ सॉल्व करें क्वेश्चन. बूम बूम लिमिटेड के जैसा ही है. So first we will solve this question using working note 1. ओके चलो टिक टिकी जी सब लोग स्टार्ट करें. वर्किंग नोट 1. बैंक बैलेंस, बैंक अकाउंट, राइट डाउन particulars rupees, particulars rupees. To balance brought down, to balance brought down, $540 to $500. To investment account, to investment account, $16,80,000. By by preference shareholder, by debenture holders, debenture holders beta 7,50,000 into 30% plus 7,50,000 into 9% into 3/12. $20 to $500 and 30% is 2,25,000. 20 to 500, 247 500 by debenture holders, and they want cash balance of rupees 2 lakhs. So cash balance कितना चाहिए आपको? 2 lakhs rupees. So buy balance carried down is 2 lakhs. Yes, anyone? So beta, anyone? Yes, anyone beta? %30 is paid in cash ना. हाँ. So कैश बैलेंस कितना हो गया बेटा? कैश बैलेंस बताओ मुझे. डिबेंचर होल्डर्स का सॉरी 22,47,500 आना चाहिए. 1575 plus 247.5 plus 200. डिबेंचर्स का सॉरी इट्स 4/12. इट्स 4/12. प्रेफरेंशियल होल्डर्स का भी आया. क्वेश्चन नंबर ओके. सो बेटा cash and bank balance I'm getting. Yes, they are saying ki living. I don't know why ICI is telling you to keep minimum cash balance. Okay. So they want to keep minimum cash balance 2 lakhs, but ultimately, yes, what is the cash balance that you are getting? 542.5 plus 1680 minus 15.75, 15 lakh 75, 1575 minus 247.5. Okay. Sorry. So here minimum cash balance. So no need of equity shares beta because we have already excess cash balance. See, in this question, I don't know how this question is framed, but ठीक है अभी हो गई होगी गलती. So because we are minimum maintaining 2 lakhs rupees and here we are getting 4 lakhs rupees. So there is no need to issue any equity shares. So ये तो बहुत tricky हो गया था. So students are like कि मैं भी रहता तो confuse हो गया रहता. Okay, no problem. Now 22 lakh 22,500. So 22 lakh 22,500 is the bank balance. Correct है? Okay. I don't know why I say. चलो मेरा भी टाइम गया because बैंक बैलेंस ही ये मुझे ध्यान में आने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा कि भाई 2 लाख तो बैलेंस मिनिमम रखा ही था. So 4 lakhs rupees I am getting a balance. So yes, extra than 2 lakhs rupees. चलो now journal entries fast. Journal entries. Date. Particulars. LF. Debit rupees. Credit rupees. Date beta. Date column. June 5. Bank account debit. To investment account. To profit and loss account. Bank account debit 16 lakh 80,000. Yes, I have question 16 lakh 80,000, 14 lakh 70,000, 2 lakh 10,000, being investment sold. Being investment sold. 5th June, 10% preference share capital account debit. How many entries? 3 entries I am going to pass. Premium on redemption account debit. 2. Preference shareholder being redemption due. 15 lakhs 75,000. 15 lakhs 75,000. फिफ्थ जून के बाद प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. Preference shareholder account debit to bank account. 15 lakh 75,000. Being preference shareholder paid. Then beta no need to issue equity shares. So we will create CRR. See, for CRR you need either P&L or general reserve. So general reserve. Now we have general reserve is always face value. So general reserve account debit beta. Now you need a practice for these questions to capital redemption reserve. So we created beta 15 lakhs ka general reserve CRR. Being CRR created. Being CRR created. What is the next entry beta? Being CRR created. Next entry is debenture holders. August 1. 9% debentures. %9 debentures account. 7,50,000. Interest on debentures. Expenditure. Debentures we are going to cancel. Interest is beta 22,500. We already calculated 4 months interest. 2 debenture holders 7,72,500. Being debentures due. Correct hai? Then beta debenture holder account debit 772,500 to bank. We already calculated in bank account 247,500. Interest plus 30%. To equity share capital. Now see 7,50,000 into 70%. They accepted 70% into 10 upon 40 into 10 rupees divided by 40. 40 is the equity share capital issue price. 10 is a face value. Capital is always shown at face value. So into 70% divided by 4. I am getting 131,250. To security premium 7,50,000 into 70% into 30 upon 40 into 30 upon 40. $393,750. Being debenture holders paid next entry, P&L to interest, P&L account debit to interest, 22,500. Then P&L to premium on redemption, P&L to premium on redemption 75,000. ICI ने आई थिंक जनरल रिजर्व में से लिया है. P&L में से भी ले सकते हो आप. 75,000 being interest transfer, being premium transfer. Then general reserve, sorry, CRR account debit, capital redemption reserve account debit to bonus to equity shareholder. now बेटा bonus to equity shareholder कितना पे किया था? How many bonus shares? One equity share for every 3. One equity shares for every 3. And bonus shares कब issue किए? Held on 31st March 2021. See, held on 31st March 2021 is very important. So new equity shareholder, this 131,250 is not eligible for bonus shares. Remember. So 9 lakhs into 1 by 3 being bonus declared. $3 lakhs and bonus to equity shareholder account debit 3 lakhs to equity share capital 3 lakhs. So it's similar to being bonus shares issued. Over 18 मिनट में हमने. Now balance sheet beta, balance sheet you can do by your own. Just I want to show you line by line entry. In bank account I will add 16,80,000. Okay. So bank balance we are already aware that we prepared the bank balance, so no need to adjust it in bank. So 4 lakhs to investment I'm going to reduce 14,70,000. Then P&L में I will add 2,10,000. P&L 2,10,000. Then 10% preferential capital I'm going to reduce 15 lakhs. Then premium on redemption 75,000. It's a temporary account. Preference shareholder is a temporary account. Bank balance already done. General reserve 15 lakhs to capital redemption reserve. So CRR I will record it new item 15 lakhs CRR. So CRR हो गया 9% debentures 7,50,000. Interest is going to cancel. Debenture holder is going to cancel. Bank is already done. Equity share capital 131,250. I'm going to add it. 131,250 I will add. Then I will add security premium 393,750. But this is an exam speed. I am telling you this is exam speed. Please match this speed. Otherwise, it will be very difficult in exam. 22,500 and 75,000. 393,750 ऐड किया क्या आपने सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में? ओके, P&L में से माइनस करना है. हाउ मच? इन इंटरेस्ट 22,500 and 75,000. And then CRR 3 lakhs माइनस करना है. चलिए, so in balance sheet 9 lakhs plus 131.25 plus 300, so I'm getting 13 lakh 31,250. Redemption 0, CRR 12 lakh, security premium 1,800 plus 393.75, 21 lakh 93,750. जनरल रिजर्व बेटा माइनस CRR किया ना आपने? हाँ, माइनस 15 lakhs. I forgot. जनरल रिजर्व 1,50,000. P&L P&L 120 plus 210 minus 22.5 minus 75. 75 you can deduct from general reserve also. Both are correct. 232,500. So general reserve में से भी 75,000 माइनस किया रहता तो चलता था. Preferential capital 0 and sundry creditors, so debentures 0, 2,12,500. Assets same, 31,60,000. Investment 0, debtors 17,60,000. Asset side is simple beta. So 232,500 plus chalo 1331.25 plus 12 lakhs plus 2193.75 plus 150 plus 232,500. So 232.5 plus 212.5. I'm getting the answer 53,20,000. And now this is 3,160 plus 1,760 plus 400. Yes, 53,20,000. Now you have 8 minutes to finish this balance sheet. I know you can do it by very well, beta. So 30 minutes का timing था. 30 minutes का timing. And balance sheet you can do by your own, ना? Balance sheet में कोई दिक्कत आएगा क्या? Yes, tell me fast. So already told you answers. But interest is paid in cash. Remember, Anamika, interest is always paid in cash. This is, yes. All entries done. All entries done. June. Oh, sorry. First entry is beta 5th June tha. So 5-6. Bank balance beta confusion tha. Yes. Speed match किया क्या? बड़ा this is exam speed. 7 मिनट में तो बैलेंस शीट हो जाएगा. 30 मिनट है आपके पास. This is the exam speed, and I also get confused when bank balance is getting 4 lakhs and they're saying ki it's 2 lakhs minimum cash balance is required. So I thought that issue of equity shares will be there. I don't know what is the thinking of this examiner while setting this question, but by balance carried down you have to maintain 4 लाख रुपए आपको बैंक बैलेंस मेंटेन आ ही रहा है, 2 लाख का मेंटेनेंस करना था, तो पता नहीं क्या सोच थी. सर यू डिडंट गिव P&L इन द बैंक अकाउंट. नो P&L का कोई संबंध ही नहीं है बेटा प्रणय. सो बैक अकाउंट मतलब मुझे नहीं समझा आपको क्या बोलना है. प्रणव जी नटराजन, प्रणव नटराजन, नो इट्स नॉट करेक्ट. सर हाउ विल यू नो दैट बोनस शेयर्स आर नॉट रिजर्व फॉर debenture holders? Yes beta, good question, because it is given in the question that it is held on 31st March. Suppose this is not given that 31st March वालों को सिर्फ bonus shares मिलेगा, in that case beta it will be given to debenture holders who are getting converted into equity shares. Good question. Who asked this question? Mohammad Aslam ji. Pallavi Vichare, sir, if only journal entries are asked, are we supposed to prepare balance sheet exam? But obvious beta, no. If only journal entries are asked, why to prepare balance sheet? Beta, it is ऐसा question आता भी क्यों है मन में. श्रुति सिंह सर, मैच विथ योर स्पीड. वेरी गुड बेटा. ज्योति जवाब बोल रही है. प्रणव का अभी भी मुझे क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. पुष्पा जी, बोनस शेयर्स क्यों इंक्लूड नहीं किया? नाउ यू गॉट द आंसर. अंकी रेड्डी पूछ रहे सर, प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन ट्रांसफर टू P&L एट द एंड और नॉट? इज इट दी से द इंपॉर्टेंट सीक्वेंस? नो बेटा, P&L में डाला तो चलेगा. यू कैन ट्रांसफर इट टू जनरल रिजर्व. ओके, प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन यू कैन ट्रांसफर इट टू जनरल रिजर्व, सो नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. सो नॉट आस्क बैलेंस शीट इन एग्जाम बट स्टिल वी आर डूइंग फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस. बेटा बैलेंस शीट इज आस्क ना, बैलेंस शीट इज आस्क इन द क्वेश्चन. बैलेंस शीट इज देयर बेटा. प्लीज अब्दुल जी, 20 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है तो बैलेंस शीट पूछा ही जाएगा. यस. एनी अदर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन? एनी अदर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स? आइस टी. ओके, 30 मिनट में आइस टी हो गई उसकी. चलो, एनी अदर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा? ओके, Miss Padmasini, respected sir. Good morning, sir, and sorry for interrupting in the middle. Okay. I attended your classes for May 2022 attempt. Your way of teaching is really awesome with full focus on concepts. Because of that, I scored 60 in my accounts and cleared my first group, even though I attended only 75 marks due to lack of time, sir. I am extremely grateful to you, sir. If you are not for, if not for you, I would have never cleared my group 1. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's your hard work, beta. I am there only to tell you concepts. During exams, all concepts you taught us was running in my mind were clearly, and I felt really easy to attempt my paper. Once again, thanking you and ICF for best classes, and sorry for disturbance. Yes, beta, I know. I am telling you all, your batch is really, lucky batch. Why? Because you are not focusing only on study material questions, but you are also focusing on past examination questions. Now, what mistake you are going to do it in your first group? I'm telling you, you will not listen my tips. Number 1, watch previous session. Watch previous session. Do practice of all study material questions. I know you have lack of time, but better manage this time in the afternoon. afternoon is normally a sleeping time. So I will tell you to watch my sessions to practice, not only watching session, but you have to solve all these questions by using Tiki technique. But I know it's really hard. But yes, you have to manage this. Now you have 5 days to complete. अरे 5 दिन में तो कंप्लीट करो यार. 5 दिन है आपके पास. अभी दिवाली की मजा. आप solve all this question, redemption of debenture and even investment भी solve कर लो. Investment is your next target. So do it in जितना हो सकता है वो कर लीजिए. This batch only we are getting 20 to 25 days to finish this batch. It's not possible at all. I also know it and you also know it. कि ये बैचेस हमें कॉम्बिनेशन में ही करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी लेट. हाँ, इफ योर एग्जाम इज नवंबर 2022 देन आई कैन टेल यू कि हाँ भाई कि इट इज मैनेजेबल. पर अभी नहीं है तो हमें सॉल्यूशन निकालना पड़ेगा. डोंट फाइंड आउट कि उस दिन जैसे क्वेश्चंस को मत फाइंड आउट कीजिए कि यस सर. अरे यू हैव टू एडजस्ट ना. आईसीए इज गिविंग यू फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. So you have to adjust all these things. Okay. चलो. But amendments are not there in my syllabus. So sorry, but amendments है ही नहीं मेरे लिए. तो बेटा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता ऐसा. हाँ, थर्ड वन, do assignments. Do assignments means past examination questions. And with me and with Sanket sir क्या करना है आपको? With Sanket sir, difficult questions plus not solved question in batch number 5. बैच 5 का और 6 का ये कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो बैच 5 में जो सॉल्व नहीं किया दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट हियर. ओके, सो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन प्लस नॉट सॉल्व क्वेश्चन ऑफ बैच नंबर 5. बस. अरे 70 प्लस लिख के लो आज. 70 प्लस. यस, चलिए. नाउ टेल मी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो चलो चलो. बिफोर टेकिंग ब्रेक, बिकॉज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस ऑफ रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. Now, if you have any question, Jan 2021 का भी बता दो. Jan 21. चलो. One student is asking, sir, Jan 21 का बता दो. Okay, no problem. आलोक बोल रहा है Jan 21 का बता दो. ठीक है. Average time is 30 minutes. बेटा one question 1.8 minutes is the maximum time that we have. Now this is 20 marks question. So 20 marks into 1.8 means 36 minutes. But I can tell you, you can solve. If you do practice properly, 30 minutes में हो जाता है. 30 minutes. Okay. बेटा 70% नहीं करेगा क्या? नहीं, 70% इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इन कैश. कभी रिजवान, अरे क्या कर रहा है भाई? 30% ये कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ. 30%, 70% कन्वर्ट हुआ, 30% को कैश पे कर दिया भाई. क्या कर रहे हो रिजवान जी? चलो कोई बात नहीं. सो सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. 12 marks question. So maximum time 12 marks into 1.8. 21 मिनट्स. बेटा ये 21 मिनट्स का क्वेश्चन है क्या? पहली चीज 12 मार्क यार, बल्ले बल्ले हो गई आपकी. 12 मार्क्स मतलब क्या? 12 मार्क्स में इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन कौन पूछता है भाई? द कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ कंपनी. A BK company consists of 30,000 equity shares of 10 each and 2,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. मतलब कितना हो गया ये? 2,000 और ये हो गया अपना 2 lakhs rupees. Okay. The other particulars are given below: general reserve, and investment allowance reserve. This is a specific reserve. Investment allowance reserve is a specific reserve. It is not available for distribution of dividend, not a free reserve. Preference shares are to be redeemed at 10% premium. No problem. So 2 lakhs plus 10%, sir. 2,20,000. For the purpose of redemption, the directors are empowered to make fresh equity shares after utilizing the undistributed reserves and surplus, subject to condition that 40,000 shall be retained in general reserve and which should not be utilized. Company sold also investment 4,500 equity shares costing rupees 45,000 at rupees 9 per share. Okay, 4,500 into 9, 40,500. So we are in loss. Loss 45,000 into 9. Sorry, 4,500 into 9. It is 40,500 and costing 45,000. So your loss is rupees 4,500. And relevant items you want to show it in the balance sheet. So in general reserve you want to maintain 40,000. So you can use 80,000. In P&L already there is a balance. 20,000 is your premium. So you have available balance is 40,000. So total balance that I'm available with this total balance is 1,20,000. How much balance beta? 1,20,000 balance is available. Okay, so 80,000 and I want 40,000. So 1,20,000. So here and still sorry, still there is a loss of 4,500. Are दो loss है ना? So balance available is 60,000 minus 20,000 minus 4,500. So balance available is 35,500. Okay, plus 80,000, 1,15,500. See, general reserve account. Now here I will do one working note. Working note 1. Working note 1. Balance of general reserve and P&L available for redemption purpose. Available for redemption purpose. So see, this is a working note. You can write it. No need of tick. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. Okay. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees. So see the presentation. General reserve. How much balance you have to keep beta? Balance you have to keep beta 1,20,000 is a balance, and out of that 40,000 is closing balance. So 80,000 you can use. Okay. And Roman to P&L. $60,000, 20,000, 4,500. $35,500. See beta, 20,000 P&L after premium on redemption and loss on investment. Loss on investment. Roman 3 total. 135, 115, 500, 115, 500. And then second note, beta, what is the redemption value? Redemption value is 2 lakhs. Out of that, CRR is 115, 500. Balancing figure 84, 500. Computation, beta, computation means क्या? Calculation, how you got the answer? ये क्या question हुआ? हाँ, अरे बेटा अब्दुल रहने दे, 5 questions मैं पूछता हूँ, but before that we have to finish this. Yes, now it's easy. Tell me now it's easy, बेटा. Please tell me. अभी easy है क्या? हाँ बेटा, ज्योति लॉस P&L में डाला ना हमने 4,500 and see these entries 84, 500. I will show you the answer. बेटा प्लीज हैव पेशेंस, 12 मार्क्स ऐसे नहीं मिलते, 12 मार्क्स के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Yes, I will show you the answer. Question number 7. Yes, you can take a screenshot if you want. Bank account debit to equity share capital 84, 500. Bank account debit to investment, P&L account to investment. Then 9% preference holders, preference share capital, premium on redemption to preference holders to bank, P&L to premium on redemption, and general reserve account debit, P&L account debit to CRR. See, 84, 500 according to our diagram. You got this answer? 84, 500. Yes. Now it's easy, beta. Easy, che? बड़ा आंसर का स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो ना. Share capital is now only equity share capital. There is no preference share capital. पुष्पा कुमारी जी, नो बेटा, प्लीज टेक स्क्रीनशॉट्स. कुछ गलतियां है इसमें, दैट्स व्हाई आई कांट अपलोड दिस. Upload answers, beta. You can download it from the website, respective answers. Okay. Nanesh, index ऑलरेडी, इसका इंडेक्स नहीं है मेरे पास पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस का, बिकॉज दीज आर रियली इजी क्वेश्चंस. बेटा प्रणव, आई कैनॉट सेंड यू आंसर्स. And Pranay, beta Pranay, your question is, I don't think this is a valid question. Mohammed ji, आपका bonus shares issued to debenture holders and the company makes a right issue to those debenture holders are also reserved for right issue. Actually होना चाहिए, but it is given. बेटा आप वेबसाइट मतलब क्या? आप पास्ट एग्जाम, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम Jan 2021. So you can download Jan 21 suggested answers, na beta. You can download suggested answers for accounting Jan 2021 and you will get the answer of ICI. ठीक है, तो आप उस पे ऊपर जाके डाउनलोड कर लीजिए ना. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टेल मी. यस. अच्छा, नैनेश को इंडेक्स इसका चाहिए. क्यों बेटा, इंडेक्स तो दिया रहेगा मैंने. ले लीजिए नैनेश जी. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. दिसंबर 2008, सार्थक अग्रवाल इज सेइंग सर. दिसंबर 2008. हर्षित भी बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. नैनेश को इंडेक्स का ये लेने दीजिए. इंडेक्स इंडेक्स इंडेक्स, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. दिस इज स्टडी मटेरियल इंडेक्स है. बेटा डिम्पल, मैं आंसर्स अपलोड नहीं कर सकता हूँ बेटा. एक ही रीजन है, क्योंकि वो आंसर्स कभी कभी उसमें करेक्टनेस 100% नहीं है. तो आप सजेस्टेड आंसर्स जो है वो आईसीआई के माध्यम से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. या मैं एक काम कर सकता हूँ, सभी आंसर्स जो है वो आईसीआई के मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा, पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस के. मैं आपको कॉम्बिनेशन के आंसर्स जो भी है वो ऑल पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन आंसर्स अपलोड कर दूंगा. यस, विल अपलोड एंड टेल यू. ठीक है, चलिए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, दिसंबर 2008, 9 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. दिसंबर 2008 में मेरा फाइनल क्लियर हुआ था, लॉन्ग लॉन्ग एगो. यस बेटा, एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. सर सीआरआर पहले से गिवन हो तो बैलेंस शीट में उसका क्या करना है, उस यूज करना है क्या? नहीं बेटा, सीआरआर तो क्रिएट करते हैं प्रणव जी. सीआरआर क्रिएट किया जाता है. अरे बेटा, गूगल पे आंसर सर्च कर लो. ठीक है, चलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. दिसंबर 2008 के आंसर्स पे आ जाइए. Following is the balance sheet of Anupam Limited. Last question for redemption of preferences. Then after break, I'm going to start with chapter. कौन सा chapter? Redemption of debentures. Okay, redemption of debentures, very important chapter. Concepts I am going to write it. Only important concepts, and then some problems. ठीक है. December 2008. Following is the balance sheet of Anupam Limited. 2 lakhs 14% preference shares, less calls in arrears. Okay, 20 rupees per share. So how many shares are in arrears? So 4 lakhs divided by 20. So 20,000 shares are in arrears. 20,000 shares are in arrears. And equity shares, 8 rupees called up. And 20,000 is in arrears. And calls in advance 10,000. Okay. Security premium is there, general reserve, other liabilities, fixed asset, investment, other current assets, and cash and bank balance. The fully paid preference shares are to be redeemed at 4%. Okay, fully paid. Now, fully paid means how many? 1,80,000 shares. 1,80,000 shares into rupees. Yes, what is the face value? 100 each at 4% premium. What is the redeemable value? Redeemable value, very, very important, beta. 1,80,000 into 104. How I'm getting 1,80,000? Yeah, this one. So this is 1 crore 87 lakh 20,000. How I'm getting this? See, beta. Call scenarios is rupees 20 per share. Correct, che? So 4 lakhs. So how I calculated 4 lakhs total amount, rupees 20 per share. So how many number of shares? They have not paid rupees 20, 20,000. So 4 lakhs divided by 20. So out of 2 lakhs, 20,000 are partly paid. So 1,80,000 is fully paid. 1,80,000 is fully paid. Easy, che? And for that, 6 lakhs equity shares are to be issued at 5% of rupees 10 each. So this is 10.5. 6 lakhs. Okay. So what is the redeemable value? Face value, 1,80,000 shares into 10. Redeemable value I already written. Sorry, this is 100. 1 crore 80 lakhs. Equity share capital in bank. In bank, you are getting 6 lakhs into 10.5. 6 lakhs into 10.5. 63 lakhs. And out of this 63 lakhs, face value is 60 lakhs and security premium is 3 lakhs. While maintaining capital structure, out of 1 crore 80 lakhs, 60 lakhs is equity share capital. Okay, face value we will consider. Which value will consider? Face value. So balancing figure is CRR. Balancing figure is capital redemption reserve. So 180 minus 63. So CRR you have to create 1 crore 1 crore 20 lakhs is a CRR. 1 crore 80 lakhs minus 60 lakhs. 1 crore 20 lakhs is a CRR. Got this? Diagram समझ में आया क्या? चलो 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 फास्ट, टेल मी फास्ट. डायग्राम समझ में आया क्या? ठीक है. So CRR entries. Next one. 3,000 equity shares owned by Mohan. How many shares? 3,000. Who failed to pay allotment money and first call money 3 and 2.5. ठीक है. The final call is rupees 2 per share on equity shares. Acha. See, now I will draw the diagram for you. Now, please understand those who are in those who were in foundation with me, they know this diagram, and those who are from direct entry try to understand the concept. First, we have to do this diagram or forfeiture. Forfeiture means what? You have forfeited means jabt kiye gaye shares. Okay, so those shares who haven't paid any call money, you took all these shares and you are not going to return their money, and that not returned money, that is a collected amount, you will record at forfeiture. You will record it as forfeiture. See the diagram. So ICI आपको ये डायग्राम भी बना के दिया. अलॉटमेंट मनी 3, फर्स्ट कॉल 2.5 and final call is 2. So what is the application money? It's a balancing figure. Application money is 2.5. This is called as application money. This is called as allotment, first call, and this is final call. So I have drawn this diagram only for understanding purpose. Application money is paid by Mr. Mohan. He has not paid 3 and 2.5. Okay. Okay. So Mohan shares are forfeited. Mohan shares are forfeited after first call. So beta, I have not called. So this diagram shows up to application money received. Understand? And please watch my reissue ka session, company accounts in foundation, company accounts. So you will get this clear picture clear. And these shares are forfeited after, forfeited kab kiya? After first call. So now what is the forfeiture entry? Forfeiture entry means cancel equity share capital, because now he is no more shareholder. So cancel equity share capital, capital को debit देना पड़ेगा, and cancel calls in arrears. So this is the debit balance. So now you have to give credit. Now debit, now credit. So what is the entry? Equity share capital, think for one share, rupees up to second line. Capital you called up to second line. This is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into shares we will see afterwards. Calls in arrears. How many amount is in calls in arrears? So this amount we have not received. 5.5. This is really difficult, beta. So institute may ask you such questions. Combination of past examination, foundation plus inter. And be prepared for all worst things. And shares forfeited 2.5. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. 24,000. All scenarios 3,000 into 5.5. 16,500. Okay. And forfeited shares 7,500. Okay. So this is cancellation of Mohan shares. Mohan shares. You can draw this diagram for Mohan. But this is a concept of forfeiture, and those who have not understood it, जिनको भी नहीं समझ में आया, आप मेरे कंपनी अकाउंट्स के फाउंडेशन के लेक्चर्स देख लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन फाउंडेशन एंड इंटर में दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड इन December 2008. So prepare for all worst things. How many of you attended my foundation lectures, बेटा? Yes, मेरे फाउंडेशन के स्टूडेंट्स कौन कौन है जरा बता दीजिए. Those who are aware of this. अरे बाप रे सर, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट बता दिया आज तो आपने. बेटा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. डिफिकल्टी लेवल, ये बैच सिर्फ डिफिकल्टी लेवल का है. यहाँ पे वही रहेंगे जिनको कुछ करने की चाहत है, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. यहाँ पे ये बैच नंबर 6 इजी वालों के लिए है नहीं. इजी चाहिए तो बैच नंबर 5 के लेक्चर देख लो. ये उन्हीं की चाहत रहेगी जिनको कुछ तो तूफानी करना है. पहले ही बोल देता हूं, बैच नंबर 6 ऑर्डिनरी बैच नहीं है. आई अटेंडेड योर फाउंडेशन लेक्चर्स एंड स्कोर्ड 93। और अब बाप रे, पुष्पा फाउंडेशन, नैनेश फाउंडेशन, सुजल नेगी फाउंडेशन, श्रीधर फाउंडेशन, सार्थक फाउंडेशन, मनीषा बेन फाउंडेशन, आलोक फाउंडेशन, ज्योति फाउंडेशन। अरे वाह, हर्षित फाउंडेशन, शंभवी सुमन फाउंडेशन, शंभवी। चलिए, रोहन मोहन का तो हो गया। अभी देखते हैं, तो ये एंट्री मैं बता दूंगा आपको। राखी फाउंडेशन, सपना इंटर में आपकी क्लास। ओके, चलो कोई बात नहीं। सो मोहन का तो बेटा बैंड बज गया, मोहन के शेयर्स फोरफिट कर लिए, मोहन के शेयर्स ऑलरेडी फोरफिटेड। नाउ फाइनल कॉल of rupees 2 per share is to be made on 7 July. श्रुति फाउंडेशन, राखी फाउंडेशन। चलिए, अरे वाह, मेरे फाउंडेशन के बच्चों शेयर है मेरे पूरे। चलिए, नाउ हाउ मेनी फाइनल कॉल के लिए ड्यू है? फाइनल कॉल ड्यू आउट ऑफ 10 lakhs equity shares, 10 lakhs equity shares, अभी ये कॉल सिनेरियोस वी डू नॉट हैव दिस बाइफर्केशन। इन कॉल सिनेरियोस का बाइफर्केशन है क्या? चलो, मोहन का कितना था उसमें से 5.5, तो कॉल सिनेरियोस में से मोहन का था 5.5 इंटू 3000, 16,500 मोहन का था। एंड सोहन भी है ना बेटा? नहीं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम मोहन देर इज स्टिल नो, सोहन नहीं है। अच्छा, अभी यहां पे आईसीआई की मैं बोल सकता हूं, फाइनल कॉल ड्यू। Okay, so final call, I will ask for 10 lakhs minus 3,000 shares into 2 rupees. So final call is due on 10 lakh shares minus 3,000 shares. 3,000 shares forfeited na, into rupees 2. So answer is 19 lakh 94,000. 19 lakh 94,000. Okay. एंड उसमें से भी कितना आ चुका है? देर इज कॉल्स इन एडवांस 10,000, सो 19,84,000 आएगा। ठीक है, चलो एंट्रीज समझ लो। एंट्रीज Chalo, first entry. Now see, first entry is 63 lakhs. Okay. So first we will do redemption entries. I will tell you the sequence. Redemption entries. Number 1, equity shares issued. Equity shares issued, rupees 63 lakhs, bank. Write down the entry sequence. Face value 60 lakhs. This is equity share capital. Security premium 3 lakhs. Redemption entries first. B. Preference share capital due. Due में 1 crore 80 lakhs plus preference share capital plus 7,20,000 is premium and 1 crore 87 lakh 20,000 preference shareholders. Payment to preference shareholders 1 crore 87 lakh 20,000. D. Premium cancelled rupees 7 lakh 20,000. Rupees 7 lakh 20,000. E. CRR 1 crore 20 lakhs. So 5 redemption entries. You can take screenshot. Redemption entries का sequence. मस्त क्वेश्चन था, मस्त क्वेश्चन. ओह सॉरी, स्क्रीन थोड़ी हैंग हो गई थी. Okay. सोहन का 1400 shares. Okay, I got this. Call scenarios I got. Yes, सोहन का एंड मोहन का मिला के बाइफर्केशन है ये. 16,500 plus 3,500. You can write it. सोहन का भी नहीं मिला था. Okay, I will do. Don't worry. So this is forfeiture entries, redemption entries. Now second is Mohan shares forfeited. Mohan shares forfeited. How many shares? 3,000 shares. And you can draw this diagram. For this diagram already done beta, but still 2.53. Today's question paper, yes, are very difficult one. 3, 2.5 and 2. This is the diagram. Third entry, final call due. On how many shares beta final call due? Final call due on 10 lakhs minus 3,000. 10 lakh shares minus 3,000 shares. Final call. This is due 9,97,000 into rupees 2. 3,000 shares. Why minus? Mohan forfeited. Mohan shares forfeited. So final call due on 9,97,000. B. Final call received. Now this is very important. Final call received. Now this is important. Now you only tell me. Now final call received. Actually, direct entry students, please understand this question is not for you. Abhi ke liye. First, you have to watch my previous sessions of foundation company accounts. Otherwise, it is not useful. Yes. Final call received. See, 9,97,000 shares minus Sohan shares, 1,400 minus calls in advance. Now, this is very, very important. Minus calls in advance. And now, what is calls in advance? That we have to adjust here because this is already received. Calls in advance is 10,000. Calls in advance is 10,000. You can check this. Calls in advance 10,000. Most difficult question, beta. Most difficult question. Rupees. Sorry. This is how into rupees 2. Into rupees 2 minus 10,000 is calls in advance. See the answer. 9,97,000 minus 1,400 into 2 minus 10,000. So 19,81,200. 19,81,200 rupees. This is most difficult part of this question. Final call received. And fourth one, Sohan shares forfeited. 1,400 shares. Diagram. 2.5, 3, 2.5, 2. Equity share capital 10. To calls in arrears. To calls in arrears. 4.5. To shares forfeited. To shares forfeited 5.5. 1,400, 1,400, 1,400. So this is 14,000. 4.5 into 1,400. 6,300. And 1,400 into 5.5, 7,700. Over. This is Sohan's shares. And then your question will get over better. And here, the difference between two, 9,97,000 into 2, 19,94,000. And this difference is called as calls in arrears. Calls in arrears. 12,800. Minus calls in arrears. 2,800. And how you got this? 1,400 shares have not paid 2 rupees. Sorry. Calls in arrears for final call is rupees 2 per share. All these entries are for forfeiture. This question, please, direct entry students, you do it after understanding the session of final accounts. This question is for those students who already attended my foundation batch. So this is the really difficult question. December 2008, ICI may ask you this question. So be prepared for all worst things. Yes. मजा आ जाएगा. ठीक है. इसके आंसर्स मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर देता हूं. इसका आंसर देखो. ठीक है. और प्लीज डोंट गिव अप बेटा. इट्स ओके. एक हाथ क्वेश्चन तो डिफिकल्ट रहेगा ही. बैंक टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन. यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम यहाँ पे गलत हो गया है. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम नहीं, यहाँ पे पी एंड एल अकाउंट डेबिट. जनरल रिजर्व टू सीआरआर करेक्ट था. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस you can write two call scenarios directly. Two call scenarios 16,500. टू शेयर्स फॉरफिटेड. ये करेक्ट था. ये मोहन के शेयर्स थे. देन इक्विटी शेयर फाइनल कॉल. ये भी गलत हुआ थोड़ा. कॉल सिनेरियस अकाउंट डेबिट. कॉल सिनेरियस अकाउंट डेबिट 1.2 plus 10 minus 19.94 2,800. Here the entry is to call scenarios. ये पूरा 19,94,000 आ जाएगा. फाइनल कॉल will get cancelled. Call scenarios Sohan shares 1,400 shares into 2 Sohan. And then instead of this you can directly write 3.5 plus 2.8 call scenarios to call scenarios 6,300. ठीक है. आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. आई विल रेक्टिफाई द आंसर. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए इसका एंड राइट इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. 5 एंट्रीज. मजा आ गया. ये क्वेश्चन बढ़िया था. ये उन्हीं को समझेगा जो रैंकर्स है. ये उन्हीं को समझेगा जो मेरे पास पहले से थे. नहीं दीपिका, इफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन विदाउट वॉचिंग दिस प्रीवियस सेशंस तो बेटा पर डायरेक्ट एंट्री हो गए तो कंपनी अकाउंट सिर्फ देख लेना. इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट कि कंपनी अकाउंट्स देख लो. बाकी कोई चैप्टर नहीं, पर कंपनी अकाउंट्स को देख लो. चलो, नाउ आफ्टर ब्रेक वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व विच इलस्ट्रेशंस बेटा. फटाफट डिबेंचर्स. सो डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक डिबेंचर्स आफ्टर ब्रेक. थैंक यू. चलो टेक अ ब्रेक. चलो आलोक, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम था ही नहीं, चलो स्टार्ट करना है. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम इज नॉट देयर. ओके, यस, चलिए. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिवेंचर्स. Concepts, only key concepts I'm going to explain it in this batch. Redemption of debentures. How many of you already watched these sessions? Yes, beta. Already watched sessions, or which are not taken in the class? Can you tell me? कौन से questions class में नहीं हुए थे? Redemption of debentures. Yes. Which questions not solved in the class? आयुष कुमार, कॉल सिनेरियस के बिना भी एंट्रीज हो सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट. कॉल सिनेरियस यूज करना है. चलो अभी ध्यान दीजिए, वो क्वेश्चन ठीक है, एक सदियों में एक बार वो क्वेश्चन आएगा, सो उसके लिए बी प्रिपेयर. आपके अटेम्प्ट में आना नहीं चाहिए, बट ठीक है, आ गया तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. यस sir, I already watched. Okay, I have watched till branch accounts. Alok is saying, sir, your foundation batch lectures are too good. Okay, Miss Chakshu. Chaliye. So, redemption of debentures. Can you tell me what is the provision for redemption of debentures? Concept 1. Create DRR. What is the difference between DRR and CRR? Can you tell me what is the difference between DRR and CRR? Concept 1. DRR in past, we called it as sinking fund. Okay. So CRR is capital redemption reserve and DRR is debentures redemption reserve. So what is the difference between CRR and DRR? Yes. What is the difference? Every year it is not created. At the time of redemption, it is created. Capital redemption reserve is used in case of preference share capital, and debentures is created every year. Every year we are creating debentures redemption reserve and not at the time of redemption. Okay. So concept 1, create DRR. Can you tell me DRR percentage? Very good. Beta, CRR is shown after redemption and DRR is getting 0 after redemption. So this is a basic difference. CRR will be shown after redemption. Oh, to maintain your capital structure. Either equity shares or CRR. You already studied redemption of preference shares. So after redemption, CRR balance is going to, as it is in the balance sheet, year after year, till bonus shares. DRR is never shown after redemption. एक बार रिडम्पशन कर दिया, रिडम्पशन मतलब लोगों का पैसा दे दिया, उसके बाद डीआरआर का कोई भी अमाउंट बाद में दिखेगा नहीं बैलेंस शीट में, क्योंकि डीआरआर जनरल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. डीआरआर जनरल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. जहां पे सीआरआर पैदा होता है वहां पे डीआरआर खत्म होता है. सीआरआर अप टू रिडम्पशन कुछ नहीं करते, मतलब मैंने 0 ईयर में प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स इशू किए, आफ्टर 5 इयर्स मैंने रिडम्पशन किया, यहां से सीआरआर की, यस बेटा, जर्नी शुरू होगी, सीआरआर शुरू होगा। ओके, सीआरआर शुरू होगा। डीआरआर जो है, डिबेंचर्स, 0 ईयर टू 5 इयर्स डीआरआर दिखेगा, इसके बाद डीआरआर 0 हो जाएगा। Debentures redemption reserve is created throughout from issue date up to the date of redemption. Redemption date after 5 years. Redemption date. तो सीआरआर जहां पे पैदा होता है, डीआरआर की मौत हो जाती है। ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है। सीआरआर कैपिटल रिडम्पशन रिजर्व, विच कैपिटल? प्रेफरेंशियल कैपिटल, बिकॉज इक्विटी शेयर्स इज बायबैक, इक्विटी शेयर्स के लिए यूज करते हैं बायबैक। डीआरआर is debenture redemption reserve. How beautifully these concepts are created by lawmakers, and we are just followers. Think from that angle कि CRR and DRR कैसे दिखाए जाते हैं। बच्चों ये समझ लो, CRR जो है ये क्रिएट होता है आफ्टर रिडम्पशन, DRR ये 0 हो जाता है आफ्टर रिडम्पशन। ये दिमाग में डाल दो, कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म। इज नथिंग डिफिकल्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन, नथिंग डिफिकल्ट। ठीक है, ओके बेटा, डीआरआर एंड सीआरआर। ओके, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द बैलेंस इन डीआरआर? यस, प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ डीआरआर। चलो चलो चलो, कैन यू टेल मी डीआरआर प्रोफॉर्मा? चलो, yes, so this is a concept, this is a revision concept, so this batch is like revision batch. हाँ, डीआरआर कॉन्सेप्ट, चलो बताओ जल्दी से, व्हाट इज डीआरआर कॉन्सेप्ट बेटा? यस, डीआरआर, what is plus, what is minus? Credit plus, debit minus. Very good beta Abdul. Credit plus, debit minus. Reserves are always showing credit balance. Reserves are always showing credit balance. It's a part of shareholders fund, that is a share capital. It's a part of share capital. So always credit balance. Ultimately reserves belong to shareholders. By balance brought down. By balance brought down. To balance carried down. 10% into debentures value, and it is created out of profits. So by P&L appropriation after profits. Why appropriation? Because income minus expenditure. If you are in profit, then only you can create DRR. So only in case of profits. So suppose I will create DRR out of P&L appropriation. And what? Why appropriation? Logic is very simple. Income minus expenses may give you loss. But if there is profit, then only you can go further to create DRR. So DRR is created out of profits. After redemption. So till redemption date, to balance carried down. After redemption, to general reserve. After redemption. After redemption, to general reserve. So this is a pro forma of DRR. DRR pro forma, very, very easy. By balance brought down to general reserve. So what? Why P&L appropriation? If profit, then transferred. If loss, we can't transfer. Therefore, it is called as appropriation. And appropriation is there only if there is a profit. Therefore, very logical. There is a profit, then only you can transfer it. Yes. So understood debentures, redemption, reserve. Who creates it, beta? Listed company, unlisted company, or any company? Yes, beta. Private company, public company. कौन create करता है? Tell me. Tell me fast. Who creates it? But a DRR can be created out of general reserves. P&L appropriation oblique general reserves. Yes, you can create it out of general reserve. But normally, profit in that year, it is useful. Yes, general reserve से भी create हो सकता है. उसी में से आएगा, उसी में जाएगा, इतना याद रखो. उसी में से क्रिएट हुआ है, फ्री रिजर्व्स में से, आइदर फ्री रिजर्व्स में से आया और जाते टाइम उसी में समा जाएगा. सीआरआर किस में समा जाएगा? बोनस शेयर्स, इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल. सीआरआर चला जाएगा जनरल रिजर्व में, सीआरआर चला जाएगा जनरल रिजर्व में. सीआरआर जो है वो समा जाएगा किसमें? इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल. Remember, DRR is transferred after redemption to general reserve and CRR is transferred to only bonus to equity shareholder. Yes, now you understood it. Day by day. DRR is created by unlisted company other than banking company. Very good. Sarthak Agarwal ने बोला. Beta Anki Reddy, you are wrong, beta. DRR is created by unlisted company. Yes, unlisted company. And this is 10% of DRR created by, you can write here, unlisted companies other than banking companies. चलो DRR investment. Concept 2, DRR investment. Where to make investment, beta? DRR investment means there is no connection between appropriation, that is DRR. DRR investment is an asset side item. Percentage is 15% of debentures. What are percentage in investment? It is always greater than, because investment may get fluctuate. So therefore you have to invest extra 15%. Okay. 15% DRR investment. Tell me format. Tell me format for DRR investment. चलो फॉर्मेट बताइए. Debit plus, credit minus. To balance brought down, to bank, purchase at cost. Investments are always shown at cost. By bank, if sold, selling price. Then by loss, to profit. Buy balance carried down. %15 into debentures. Sold, then by bank, by loss and to profit. And buy balance carried down. Easy છે. Concept 3. Debentures and interest. Debentures and interest. This is always at face value and interest is always expenditure. Credit, debit. Face value, credit balance. Interest is expenditure because we are paying interest. So what are columns? Debentures. Buy balance brought down in face value. In interest column, when to write beta? When there is by interest payable. If balance sheet date is not equal to interest payment date, then by interest payable. By interest payable. By balance brought down and by interest payable. To bank, interest date. To bank and to profit on cancellation. So to bank, not in interest column, to bank and to profit on cancellation. When beta? Debentures are redeemed and to balance carried down and to interest payable. If balance sheet date is not equal to interest payment date. So this is a revision. Yes, clear? बड़ा क्लियर है ये पिक्चर. चलो. Now we are going to solve some illustrations. Yes, which is not covered in batch 5. Can you tell me? Study material questions that I have not covered in batch 5. चलो जल्दी बताओ. अरे बोलो ना भाई, कौन सा क्वेश्चन था जो नहीं करवाया था? जल्दी बोलो ताकि हम लोग आगे जाए. PYK 2. TYK 2 not covered. Alok is saying TYK 4. बेटा राखी पहले आप please I am requesting you all, please attend this batch only if you watch my batch number 5 sessions. Otherwise this will be recorded one. Batch number 6, I'm telling you once again, we have limited time, so I can't take each and every question, and you are lucky that I'm taking past examination questions. I never consider past examination questions in any batch. So your batch is really lucky as compared to other batches. Okay. So those students who already watched the sessions. Yes, Bekha. Sapna बोल रही illustration 4 not covered. TYK 4. Mohammad Aslam 10% DRR and 15% DRR of is created. Is it debenture issued less equity shares reserved for debenture holders? No. Better, it's not like CRR concept. Mohammad, it's not like CRR. DRR is totally different. I will show you it in illustration number 4. Okay? See, the following balances are appeared in the books of Paradise Limited, unlisted company other than AIFI, banking company and NBFC. What it means? DRR 10%. DRR 10%. 12% debentures, credit plus. Balance in DRR, credit plus. So we'll start with credit. DRR investment, debit plus. Annual contribution to DRR. The balance in the bank, debit plus before receipt of interest. The investment realized at par, premium of 10% on the above date. Debentures account, credit plus. Okay. So you can see buy balance brought down. Now debentures. Now how to solve this question? Debentures account, 5 lines. DRR account, 5 lines. See, I will show you here only. Debentures account, 5 lines you are going to prepare. DRR account, 5 lines. Every account is 5 lines, beta. So सबसे पहले buy balance brought down. Yes, buy balance brought down. First we will write all balances. Then we will write DRR balance, buy balance brought down, 25,000. You need practice, or should I explain it like this only? Yes, we'll solve scanner questions in next session. 5 lines. DRR investment beta, 2 balance brought down, debit plus 1,12,500, and bank balance is 7,50,000. 2 balance brought down. Okay? So first we posted all these things. Now the investments were realized at par for redemption at a premium of 10%. So investment के बदले में 1,12,500 ही मिला on 31st March 2002. So we will get interest for 1 year. Interest for per annum is 1,12,500 into 10%. So now first entry is 11,250 in bank account to interest on investment. So what is the first entry? Interest on investment. Sequence. Sequence is, write down sequence. Post opening balances. Post opening balances. Interest received. 1,12,500 into 10%. 11,250. बैंक के डेबिट में, बैंक के डेबिट में, करेक्ट. थर्ड, yes, you can write posting, beta. The sequence you can write. Sequence you can write. चलो जरा सीक्वेंस लिख लीजिए फटाफट. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस लिखेंगे. ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन लिखना है. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. देन इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड, ये नंबर 2 पे आपने किया. तीसरे नंबर पे क्या किया, यस बेटा, तीसरे नंबर पे क्या किया, पोस्टिंग के बाद इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड, सो बैंक के डेबिट में लिख दिया 11,250. आफ्टर दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट सोल्ड. आफ्टर दैट क्या करेंगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट सोल्ड. यस बेटा, ठीक है. इन्वेस्टमेंट सोल्ड 1,12,500. बैंक के डेबिट में, डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट के क्रेडिट में. बैंक के डेबिट में, डीआरआर इन्वेस्टमेंट के क्रेडिट में बाय बैंक. करेक्ट है. ओवर. नाउ नंबर 4, क्लोज डीआरआर. $10 debentures. Last line, to general reserve. To general reserve 75,000. Balancing figure by P&L. Balancing figure by P&L. And here balancing figure by P&L. Then beta, DRR account closed. Now debenture holders beta. Debenture holders account closed. Sorry, debentures account closed. To debenture holder. Okay. Then premium on redemption. डिवेंचर होल्डर अकाउंट में, इन डिवेंचर होल्डर अकाउंट क्रेडिट. एंड 7 नंबर, डिवेंचर होल्डर पेड टू बैंक. लास्ट एंट्री. एंड देन बैंक इज अ बैलेंसिंग फिगर. 8 नंबर पे बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, bank account, posting done. So this is a sequence. This is a sequence. You can write it. This sequence is very important. After that, we are going to solve TYK number 2. Post opening balances, interest received. This is just like your revision. चलिए, so this closed DRR debentures account, premium on redemption, debenture holders and balance carried down. Yes, now it's easy beta, please tell me. अभी इजी है क्या? अरे बोलो तो सही यार, जल्दी जल्दी। एक तो आप लोग है ना, ऐसा एनर्जी नहीं आ रही है बैच में, मुझे फटाफट फटाफट ऐसा फुल स्पीड में बोलना चाहिए आपने। जल्दी 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 सर, यस सर, हो गया हो गया हो गया, ऐसा फुल स्पीड में बोलना चाहिए। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा नहीं लिया था? TYK2 is take. अरे एक तो first thing you tell me which questions are pending. I already told you to watch all the sessions. Like, so I'm also getting 3 days to finish the redemption of debentures and redemption of preferences. And I'm telling you, this is a combination batch. We are not supposed to take this batch. We are taking it only because we don't want to stop this process. Otherwise, बैच नंबर 6 का अनाउंसमेंट का कोई भी ये नहीं था, बट वी डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप दिस प्रोसेस एंड दिस इज ओनली द रीजन। अरे आईसीआई आपके भले के लिए कर रहा है। ऑलरेडी रिजल्ट लेट आया, बैच ऑलरेडी लेट स्टार्ट हुआ, उसके बाद आप लोगों का एग्जाम में है, तो थोड़ा कोऑपरेट कीजिए, जल्दी जल्दी एनर्जी लाके आंसर्स दीजिए। कुछ कमेंट्स ही नहीं दे रहे, कुछ पढ़ाई भी नहीं करके आते। अरे 2 सेशंस देखने हैं बेटा। देर इज नो मोहम्मद असलम, देर इज प्रोविजन, देर इज नो लॉजिक फॉर दिस। 10% is DRR, that is a lawmaker already done this provision. So DRR is 10% and DRR investment is 15% for listed and unlisted company, and DRR is only for unlisted company. There is no change in this provision. TYK question not taken. पूरा का पूरा, एक तो फर्स्ट टाइम टेलिंग यू, फर्स्ट वॉच ऑल दिस सेशंस अप टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, कंप्लीट इट इन दिवाली, डोंट स्किप अ सिंगल सेशन। Still I am taking a revision first, after that all important illustrations. Understand na beta ki you are really lucky. Which illustration solved beta already? मुझे इतना तो बताइए, मुझे भी याद नहीं है क्योंकि वहां पे भी टाइम की कमी रहती थी। तो कौन से इलस्ट्रेशंस लिए, नहीं लिए, टेल मी, कौन से क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए हैं? ऑलरेडी टेकन। TYK2 taken or not taken? Fast. TYK2. चलिए, so TYK2, Libra Limited recently made a public issue in respect of following information. Number of partly convertible debentures issued 2 lakhs. Face value and issue price ₹100 per share. Okay. So here credit plus. Convertible means they are getting converted into equity shares. The name itself suggests that these shares are getting, debentures are getting converted into equity shares. Convertible portion is 60%. That is 1,20,000 on expiry of 6 months. Date of closure of subscription list 1/5/2001. Date of allotment is 1st June. Rate of interest is 15% up to 6 months, and value of equity shares converted into ₹60. Underwriting commission is always on issue price. Underwriting commission is 2% of issue price. So 2 lakhs pay 2%, that is ₹4,000. Number of debentures applied by the public is 1,50,000. So 50,000 taken by underwriters. 30th September is the due date for interest and 31st March. Write down journal entries during this period. Very, very easy. Number one. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Application money received. Sorry. Application money received is 1 crore 50 lakhs. You can see on 1st May. Then application money due. This is important. Underwriter is your beta. Underwriter will pay you. So he is your debtor. He is your debtor and 15% debentures is getting credited. Sequence is important. Third one. Now here, third entry, same on 1st June. Commission due. Commission due. It's a liability. So here, commission due 2 crores, always on issue price. Issue price into 2%. So 4 lakhs. What is the entry? Commission account debit, it's expenses. To whom it is payable? To underwriter. Correct है? So it is payable to underwriter. So underwriter को credit होगा. And fourth, creditor becomes Sorry. Debtor becomes giver. Debtor becomes giver. Bank account is debited. So 50 lakhs is the liability. He is a debtor and 4 lakhs is a liability. So net 46 lakhs. Bank account debit 50 lakhs payable, receivable, and 4 lakhs is payable. One more entry on 1st June. See, this is a listed company. So no DRR, only DRR investment. Only DRR investment. Now 5th entry will be DRR investment. Two lakhs into 100 into 15%. Wait, but this is very important. Only 40%. Only 40%. This is very, very important. Because 60% are getting converted into, so only non-convertible portion. Only non-convertible portion you will invest, not convertible portion. So convertible portion 60%. So 60% you are going to convert into equity shares. Okay. So don't apply for that 60%. Investment is up to 50%. 15% for only 40% share. So convertible जो होने वाला है उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि वो आप ही के कंपनी में आने वाले. जो नहीं आने वाले उसके ऊपर आपको प्रोविजन करनी पड़ेगी, जिनको पे करना है. नाउ बेटा 30th September. 30th September interest payment date. Interest payment date. 30th September 2 crores into 2 crores into 15% into allotment date till interest date. Allotment date is 1st June, 30th September, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 months. So interest payment date, debenture interest to bank, 30th September. Interest to bank. You can refer these entries afterwards. Then beta 6 months over from allotment. From allotment. 1st June. June, July, August, September, October. June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay. So 31st. Achha, from which date, beta? Closing of issue. Sorry. From closing of issue. From closing of issue. Closing of issue means 1/5. Closing of issue is 1/5. And closing of issue is 1/5 means 31st October, 1st November. कितना कन्वर्ट किया? 2 crore into 60%. Debentures debit convert 1 crore 20 lakhs. Equity share capital beta rupees. Face value 10, conversion 60. So beta 1 crore 20 lakhs for rupees 60. तो इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल में 10 जाएगा एंड सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में 50 जाएगा. सो 20 lakhs and 1 crore credit 31st October. And 31st March, 31st March, interest date. Now, interest date 60%, 40%. 1 crore 20 lakhs. Now, this is very important. 1 crore 20 lakhs. 1st October up to 31st October, 1 month. 40%, 80 lakhs. From 1st October till 31st March, 6 months. So 1 crore 20 lakhs pay 1 month. This is a face value. Rupees 1,50,000 plus rupees 6 lakhs 7,50,000. Interest account debit to bank. Last entry. All entries are over. This is the TYK number 2. Yes, Harshit, easy है. हर्षित की रिक्वेस्ट थी सर टीवाई के 2 लीजिए. यस हर्षित, नाउ इट्स इजी बेटा, नाउ इट्स इजी. एप्लीकेशन मनी रिसीव्ड 1 crore 50 lakhs. एप्लीकेशन मनी ड्यू. नाउ यू कैन चेक द आंसर. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर्स एप्लीकेशन. Bank account debit to debentures application. Then debentures application account debit, underwriter account debit to 15% debentures. Commission due, underwriting commission account debit to underwriter. Now bank account debit to underwriter. Then DRR investment account debit to bank, that is 2 lakhs into 100 into 15 into 40%, that is 12 lakhs. The next entry is interest payment date. So debenture interest to bank on full for 4 months. Then beta getting converted 6 months के बाद on 31st of October, conversion. This is a conversion. And after converting, interest date 1 month for conversion portion and 6 months for remaining non-conversion option. Yes. Beta, please do practice of this question. Is really very easy question. TYK 2 once you got the प्रोविजन. चलो जल्दी से बताइए. इजी था ये क्वेश्चन भी. नाउ व्हाट इज डिफिकल्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन? दैट कन्वर्जन ऑप्शन. So you have to understand what is the conversion and non-conversion. Conversion means which is converted into equity share capital. Now you understood the sequence. Now you can refer the sequence and journal entries are given in the study materials. Okay, you can easily find out these answers. So beta, this is all for debentures. Now in Diwali, I am giving you homework. मुझे मेरे स्कूल के दिन याद आए. दिवाली का होमवर्क रहता था हमें, बहुत सारा होमवर्क. सो इन दिवाली के बाद आई विल कम बैक वंस अगेन विद डिबेंचर्स चैप्टर, वन मोर डे for past examination questions, and after that investment chapter. So investment chapter you have to do 8, 18 and पॉसिबल होगा आगे के टॉपिक्स पढ़ते रहिए. इन दिवाली मैक्सिमम टॉपिक्स कवर कर लीजिए, सो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू आफ्टर दैट. ओके, वाइल डूइंग रिवीजन. तो डूइंग रिवीजन के टाइम पे बहुत आसानी रहेगी. आई विल टेक योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिवीजन, इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन दिस बैच, एंड दोज क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर नॉट कवर्ड इन दी बैच नंबर 5 वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इट इन द बैच नंबर 6. सो टिल दैट, हैप्पी दिवाली वंस अगेन. और मिलेंगे हम लोग दिवाली के बाद. बहुत मजे मत कीजिए, पढ़ाई करते रहिए. ओके, थैंक यू. हैप्पी दिवाली वंस अगेन. और मिलते हैं 5-6 दिन के बाद. चलिए, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. बंद कर दीजिए.